How do you get rid of tinnitus? Depends on the cause. If we can identify the cause, which is frequently hearing loss, then we can successfully treat tinnitus for the most part. For example, if the brain is expecting to hear environmental sound, you've got some hearing loss, it doesn't hear it, doesn't like that. So if we can restore the hearing or improve the hearing, that will very often improve the tinnitus as well. Some dietary changes, as I mentioned, can do this. Stress can cause tinnitus or aggravate it. And actually an unusual, at least to many people, cause of tinnitus, or one that they don't necessarily think of, is actually clenching the jaws, grinding the teeth too much. That can cause a referred sensory discomfort that the brain will interpret as